Once upon a time, three friends were planning to go to the beach.
While they were on the road, they were talking about how fantastic the trip will be.
The first thing they did when they arrived was going to the sea.
The girls arrived to the beach to sunbathe and enjoy the sea. But there was a big problem. Everything was dirty and contaminated. The sand was full of trash, plastic bottles, cigarette butts, and paper. They were very surprised because of the contamination they were watching.
The three girls were very sad and concerned for this. They didn't want the world, especially the sea, to be in those conditions. They were worried about the sea life because all that trash and dirtiness was killing them, and they didn't want that to happen anymore.
They want to give a solution for that immediately. So what they did was to call the government and tell them about the idea to see if they could go and slow it. But after the few days, they saw that the government didn't do anything and the ocean was in exact same conditions.
Since they saw that the government didn't do anything, they decided to start a campaign to prevent and reduce the contamination of the sea. They started to make posters with information about the problem. They talked to the people for be part of group to clean all the beaches.
Many people were not interested in the environment, so they ignored the girls' campaign. But there were also people who started looking everything they were doing and wanted to help too. So they entered to the support group and they also started to promote the campaign as the three girls were doing.
In just a few days, the campaign was a complete success. There was a lot of people in it, and the difference in all the beaches was notable. Everyone could see that the beaches were clean, there was no trash, no contamination, and you could see a lot of members of the campaign cleaning and collecting trash.
The difference was so notable that even the government noticed the action that this campaign was doing that they gave this campaign, now named Ecological, a certification on an official ecological association, and another certification for its quality and results.
The three friends were so happy to see that all their effort and hard work was worth it. They were very happy to see that the little campaign that they started was now a formal association in charge of solving ecological problems of the sea. But the main reason of their happiness was to see that the beaches were clean now, animals were no more swimming in the middle of trash, and the people were now conscious about the problem of contamination of the sea.